Today we're gonna do the sound effects challenge. So
Where's that coming from?
I have a ton of sounds in here, and we're gonna
Those
pick
are
them out,
papers, not sounds.
and we're gonna pick them out, and then we'll do the sound effects, and the best one to do it will win a point.
Okay.
So go ahead and pick.
Me?
Yeah. Okay, Joseph. All right.
Slurping spaghetti. You don't read it, you
No,
dope.
you do read it.
Oh, I do
we
read.
know?
Oh, I thought it was just his, and we were supposed to guess what it was.
No.
Oh, sorry.
So I am reading.
Yeah, you'll do
Sorry,
it, then me,
sorry,
and then
sorry.
Sam.
So I need
And
to.
then you want to do it, Dad?
No, I'll judge.
I want to slurp some spaghetti.
All right, do it.
I'm gonna be like Jake with shoveling.
Oh no. That's pretty good.
Hi, Loris.
What?
Now
I'm
you.
having an old friend for dinner.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, me.
Animal.
Let's see. Okay.
That one was slimy. Alright.
You don't have to do the motion.
Grody. You, Grody. That sounds like soup. Mine had a lot of broth in it.
All right, judges.
It sounds like your own spit.
So Joseph wins that one.
Joseph.
Yay!
There we go.
By unanimous
Joseph has 1
decision.
point.
Of
All
what?
right, go on.
Car starting. This is kind of hard one.
All right, go.
Me first?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a little tougher.
How is that?
I am Optimus Prime.
Joseph.
What? No, it's you, Dad. Yeah, it's you, baby. Yeah, come on.
All right, fine. All right. Now, okay. Hold on. I gotta get the lip. Oh.
Oh, that's
Stop.
cringy.
Okay.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, go. Okay, it doesn't start off right when you twist the
Joseph just has nitrous in his engine.
Oh god. Spitting
We're in the splash zone.
Gross.
Okay, who won that one?
Oh gosh.
Landon.
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, my turn.
The one that doesn't drive.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's supposed to
A
sound.
river.
I think you go first. Don't
Yeah,
you?
you go
Because
first.
It's yours.
Alright. No. I don't know. I just did the same thing. Okay, go. That's mine. That was really bad.
Why does it start soft?
Okay, I think that's good. Okay, alright.
Okay. Bloop, bloop. Waterfall, waterfall, waterfall. Whoosh. That's mine. Waterfall, waterfall, waterfall.
Alright, who wins?
No one, they all suck.
Okay, that's enough from the peanut gallery. Who's the winner?
Alright,
I guess Landon.
Alright.
Alright, who wants it?
Drinking soda.
Oh, this could be
You have
good.
you have a little bit of a Russian A here.
My bad.
Through a straw, or out of a can, or out of a glass.
Yeah, that's up to the
Yeah.
only person. Nah! That's good.
Alright.
That's good.
Alright.
Whoa.
Go, 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 go.
Exactly. Oh no, guys, this is the real one. This is a good one. Good, good. No. This is this is the one. Oh wait. This is the wrong flavor.
That one was shook up.
That was lame. Alright. Wins.
Joseph.
Yay! I haven't won.
Samuel hasn't won one.
That's me.
For Sam.
I'd be embarrassed to be good at this game.
You have spit on your arm.
That's your opinion. A crow. I'm a crow. Okay, now you.
Okay.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
What?
Oh, that's the feathers.
I don't think the sound.
What the The dark crystal.
Dude just said the Dark Crystal. It reminds me of that guy's in Dark Crystal.
Alright.
Samuel's got a point.
Yeah, on the scoreboard.
Dang.
Don't
He's
call
on
the
the scoreboard.
comeback.
Alright, so me and Joseph are tied, and Samuel has one.
He's on the scoreboard.
Alright.
now.
Tell it to me first.
A toilet. Oh, I have to go first.
This one's no competition. Samuel's gonna win this one. He's got the most experience.
You on an airplane? Okay.
Yep.
You, Joseph.
Oh gosh. What are you?
Oh. Hey, that's pretty good.
That is pretty good.
I'm disgusted.
Okay. Oh no, the water level's rising! Oh no, it didn't work! Mom!
Oh no.
That's my impression.
Who won?
I gotta give Samuel that one.
Yeah!
No, that's lame.
Don't call it a comeback,
It's just
baby.
like he just made
It's a
me
three-way
laugh.
tie.
Okay, loser has to jump in the snow. How about that?
What?
Yeah.
Thunder.
Oh gosh.
Lightning.
That you just spit all over everything.
Look at that.
It was me. No, that's not even water.
Cover your mouth.
Alright. Alright. What was that?
That was like a crack.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Okay, go.
You know, they should change your name to Thunder. Because Thunder always comes after lightning. Remember Cars? Okay, what about this one? How about... It's like the soda thing all over it. Crash bang!
Crash bang.
Okay.
Landon!
Yes.
Oh.
Man, mine was so good.
Samuel for the last one.
I wonder which one I'm gonna pick. Jeez. Garage door.
Oh, gee.
Okay, oh, it's me first. I think you actually kind of have an advantage going first. Because then everyone copies you. No, that's not. Boom. Shut it off, it's broke! Shut it off, it's broke! Oh no, there goes Earl. Goes back up.
No, don't help him. Alright. Okay. Boop.
You taking off a runway?
That's
Okay. How many buttons do you have to press?
what? Did it raise like twice?
Why do you press so many buttons? Because you have to put in your code.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Okay, who won?
No, I need to go in the snow.
I think Samuel won that one. Yes!
Alright,
No snow for me, baby!
Joseph loses, so that means you have to go to the snow.
I love how you told us the stipulations afterward. Just would not have agreed.
How do I go in the snow? Just
Yeah,
go
fine.
outside and walk in the snow?
Yeah.
Just go.
Alrighty, here
If
we
all
go.
I have to do is go and walk in the snow.
Snow sound effects, gang, gang.
I walk in the snow even when I don't have to.
Okay, you have to dive.
Barefoot. I have to dive.
Yeah,
Why?
you have to lay down.
What?
Yeah, go on.
Good luck, amigo. Oh my gosh, he's a hobbit.
Look at this guy.
Look at him!
Okay.
Do I really have to lay down?
Wait, no, that's
No, you have to lay down.
just like do dolphin dive.
Yeah.
Remember old school?
Oh gosh.
Oh man.
Look at the puppies, man.
Oh, he's doing it.
Clean your stealth off before you come in. Oh no. Oh, that's a good.
That is a
snow
good
angel.
snow angel.
Wow, good snow angel.
Okay,
Good job.
I need to come in upstairs so that I can
No, just come on. You're fine. Just like jump up and down a little bit. Is all. You can't stay out there. You're gonna get frostbite or something. You remember like your Taekwondo trick?
Yes.
Wait a second. No. Go wipe that stuff up.
It's fine, it'll melt.
Hi, yeah.
You can't even see anything.
That's pretty chilly.
All right.
Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Snow gang gang. Samuel didn't lose gang gang.
You also didn't win though.
Well,
Well, well, no, he won just as much as you did.
Yeah.
Winners.
And I came back from like a 0-3 deficit.
That's true.
So don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years.